So here's my take on this. You will never have a more valid time in your lives to try out something new, to experiment with everything you can experiment with possibly in your lives, than when you're in your 20s, than when you're looking at life without any responsibilities. You have no family unless you got married young, unless you have children young. You literally have no responsibilities out there. You're responsible for one person, and that's you. Now, when you're in your 20s, you want to be in a situation where you're exploring everything. Remember, no matter what career you go into right now, no matter what profession you pick, you need to be able to do three things. Number one, you've got to be able to be emotionally resilient. You've got to be tough. You've got to be able to handle your emotions and not bring that baggage into other people's lives. The only way you can learn to cope with your emotions is to go through challenges, is to go through trials, is to fail again and again so you get tougher. If you're not getting tougher, you're only getting weaker, because comfort doesn't build strength. Comfort increases weakness. I genuinely believe in this. Number two is, no matter where you go in life, you will need to think things through. You have to be able to break down a problem into its little tiny bits and solve those bits as you go along, as you build a solution. If you're not experimenting with a lot of challenges, how do you learn to cope with multiple problems? Get as much experience as you can to cope with challenges so that you learn how to deal with A, failure, and B, problem solving. That's really critical. Number three, the third most important thing you're going to take into any career wherever you go is effective communication skills. The art of being able to deal with anybody, not just the bosses or the seniors or the people you work with. You've got to be able to deal with anyone. How do you do that if you're stuck in one place all your life? You just don't get the breadth of experience you need to head into a career in even leadership. So again, experiment as much as you can. And here's something I'm going to tell you for International Youth Day. I know a lot of people might have a problem with me saying this, but I'm going to say it anyway. When you're in your 20s, if you're not failing, you're succeeding. You're succeeding to not be prepared to fail. You've got to be able to fail as much as you can early on so you learn from that. In your 20s is the time for you to fail as much as you can so you can learn as much as you can as you head into a meaningful career, but don't stop working. The biggest mistake you can make young is to take a major gap in your career. You can change paths if you want to. You can always tell somebody, I changed my path because I wanted more experience. But remember, if you're not failing, you're succeeding at failing to prepare. You must be prepared for life by failing fast and failing quick so you can grow quicker and grow faster. So again, number one thing you take into life as you head down this path is, don't forget to fail as early as you can at as many things as you can so you can tell everybody what nobody else can tell the world, that you've been there, you've done that, you've tried it, and you know what works and what doesn't. Experience is the biggest teacher that life can give you. If you're not capable, experience will teach you to be capable. If you don't know the academics behind it, working in the sector will make you more efficient than even the academicians in it. Practice makes perfect. How do you practice at life, Oditi, if you don't live it? How do you get better at life if you don't live it, right? So living life isn't about being stuck in one zone. It's about being completely creative with what you do. So my advice to anybody who thinks you might be feeling like a failure or feeling lost in your 20s is this. I'm putting my message on for you with our theme song for Keeping It Real. Hey, if you're listening, if you're in your 20s and you're feeling lost, it's okay. If you're failing big, it's okay. But remember, if you're not picking yourself up and learning from the lesson and moving on from there, that's not okay. So, fail quick, but get back up. Experiment widely, but learn as you go along. Immerse in the moment, but carry on. Choose to move ahead. If you live your 20s like that, you're living life. So that when you're in your 30s, you know more about life than you ever did, and you can then go and conquer any career that you choose to live your heart in. That's my advice. That's Keeping It Real with Mark, and I hope that helps you.